Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1986 Jaguar XJ6 Vanden Plas Sedan. This XJ6 is finished in black over buckskin tan. It has 33,016 miles put on the odometer by the original owner, and a 4.2 liter DOHC inline-6 engine. The Jaguar XJ6 was their flagship model, beginning in 1970, with the first generation carrying through 1992. In 1973, the XJ series model would receive generational styling changes, as well as in 1979. The final Series 3 design would embody subtle styling improvements by Pininfarina to include a revised roofline and thinner door pillars, allowing a new one-piece front door glass aiding in extra visibility, along with recessed door handles, vertical grille bars, and relocated reverse lights into a lower taillight assembly. Jaguar's new stellar design on the XJ series would become an icon for the manufacturer. The eye-catching luxury model continues to be one of the most recognizable generations of all time. Collectors continue to cherish their top-of-the-line features, excellent road manners, and overall ease of maintenance today. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.